Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description. Yo. Good morning, everybody. Good motherfucking morning. How's everybody doing this morning? How are you guys doing? God damn, last night, I told you guys yesterday, if you're not in the fucking Discord, you should have joined the Discord. You should have joined the Discord yesterday. Because I put out a beautiful fucking trade. Just look at this trade right here. Okay? This trade right here. Right here. We caught, didn't fully come down to full TP. But I closed here around 2 for 237 pips. 237 pips. Mic is a little up and down. I might need to bring it a little closer. Bring it a little closer to Mama Mail. You're thinking longs? Yes. So I'm thinking that gold is done correcting itself. Maybe. Just look around here for a little bit. Let's see what's on some. Oh, here. You guys can't see the numbers if I do that. Anyway. All right. So if we do close above, let me see here. I talk with my buddy of mine too. Oh yeah, I think he's already in his longs. But let me see. Especially since we closed like this on the 4-hour doji, but it's kind of a booty cheeks doji. But this is really what I wanted to fill, was 364. That was like my first TP, and then I'm really expecting all-time highs for gold, to be honest, guys. Like, to be honest. But yeah, I'm looking at longs for gold for sure. I don't know if I'm going to take a trade because I literally caught 250 pips from my highest entry. I think it was 250 pips. Let me see. Let's look over here in my 240 pips right there. See, right here. 200. I closed some early because when I'm trading against the trend, I like to secure a lot of profits first. So I left one runner. When I left one runner all the way down, almost gained a whole entire 10% off of that 1.01 trade. So there's that. All right, so let's see if we can get into this here. But yeah, guys, that was a really nice trade that I caught last night. I went to sleep on it. I closed some and then fell asleep, and I woke up to big bucks, big pips.
Yeah, it's a lot of pips. It's a lot of pips, but I'll definitely be here to help guide you guys for sure. It's a lot of fucking pips. Mullane. Not wrong about that. But yeah, let's see here. So we're pushing down for both Asia and London, right? Pretty much correcting the move that we had from yesterday and from NFP Friday. We didn't fully seek the low of NFP, so that's telling us that we don't really want to go any higher. If you guys do want to take some positions, you could take some here, have stops here, and then target this first area right here. Hold on, let me see if there's a better stop. I mean, this would be more so of an invalidated stop loss. So if you do want to get in, this actually is a pretty good entry to come up here and hit this target up here. But I'm not going to take it. I'm going to just kind of stay out because I'm happy with my fucking pips, guys. That's a lot of pips, dude. Like, what the booty cheeks? And again, if you guys are not in the Discord and you do want to join so you don't miss out on a free trade like that, here is the link, guys. Here is the link. Let me show you guys. I called it out in my Discord. Okay. Let me show you guys that I called it out. So here's Lilau. I think he took some of the trade. Actually, I don't know if this is gold. Is this gold? I don't think this is gold. No, it is not gold. All right. So here is the trade, guys. Gold shorts, everyone. I placed this last night at 10:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time during Asia session. This was the short signal, completely free, completely fucking free. All right. This was a short signal. 3375. You could have entered there again. I went BE. And then from here on, I was posting. And we got what? Automatically, what is this? Like 40 pips. And then here is the full trade. This is the full trade. NAS. Oh. Let's see. What are we thinking for NAS today, huh? What are we thinking for NAS? So let's do a little top-down analysis. So yesterday, we closed very bullish for NAS. Pretty much closing at like equal lows here. But we didn't really close with the top wick for NAS. No top wick for NAS. So that could either mean one or two things. It can either mean that there's no more range left to go higher, or that there's no type of rejection and that we're just going to continue pumping. We're just going to continue pumping. So we got to see exactly what we're trying to do here. So let's drop down to the higher time frame really quickly. It looks like we're already... All right, so we're on the 1 hour right here. It's already looks like we're trying to do this. So I'm like I said, I think I said yesterday, I am expecting a lot lower for NQ. I'm expecting this to just be a correction in the market so that we can drop lower. Same for gold. We dropped for gold so that we can go higher. We did a correction. So it's the opposite pretty much for gold. I mean, for NAS. So if we mark that up and we look left, we can see that this is actually a pretty solid area of consolidation and rejection. So, and then we drop down to like, let's say the 15, and we're looking for lower lows and lower highs. And we're starting to get that. So if we can literally break past here for NAS, we could see a lot lower, I'll say. We could see a lot lower. But for my scalping strategy for NAS, let me see, where is 8 o'clock a.m.? Oops. This is a scalping strat for NAS. This is New York Open. We already broke below New York Open. So hopefully 930. And right here is London low, right? London lows are right here. So we could see a beautiful little, we had our break already. We could see a nice retest and then come down to take out these London lows. I do have a, I have an challenge account that I'm starting up again. I'm starting it up with this one guy, because he's in Ethiopia, and I helped him out with an account. You know, I watched him on this a certain Discord. I've been watching him and watching his posts and like how he trades, and I'm like, damn, bro, you know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. And he's like, yeah, but it's just demo. I'm like, what? It's just demo? What do you mean it's just demo? He's like, I live in Ethiopia, so it's really hard for me to like make wages and, you know, buy accounts. I'm like, damn, bro, I'm sorry. I understand. So I decided to help him out a little bit. So I bought him an account. It wasn't that big of an account, but now we're just kind of talking back and forth on a lot of things. And he seems like a pretty cool dude, very humble. But yeah, at 9:30, guys, in 15 minutes, you could see NAS come back up here, tap New York Open, and then you could enter instantly and then target this London low here for a nice little scalp. Same for gold though. Like I said, you could have gotten in here. Damn, that shit's already up. Almost 30 pips already. Oops. I'm trying to log into this account. Let me see here. I don't even know if I have it. I don't know what my damn password is. All right. So yeah, guys, trading is very hard. I mean, not really. Once you get the hang of it, it just becomes muscle memory pretty much. Once you get the hang of it and really start learning, it becomes muscle memory. But if you are continuously losing and you're building up that muscle memory to continuously lose, then you need to tweak some things. Like, don't be so stubborn and egotistical that you think that, oh, well, my strategy, it's going to work. It's going to work. Bro, if your strategy, your win rate is fucking 50%, 40%, you need to change something, dude. You need to change something. It's just a little skeptical for NQ because we are close to this little area right here. If we break above here for NQ and close above, we could see higher. But since we are already rejecting a little bit from here, and we pretty much have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wicks rejecting from the area, I would like to say let's go lower for NQ. So that is really what I want to see. We have a lot of rejections here. It looks like we already pretty much broke a low here. We came up, created a high. Let's see if we can come back down and break this low. If we do, then we could see even lower. TQ, bro. What's TQ? I don't understand what that is, my bro. What that is. All right, maybe I can get into my little challenge account now. Let's see. Wait, how the fuck do I even... All right, hold on for a second. Let me log into my challenge account. What's the damn... equity... Okay. Let's see. Oh. I'm in, baby. Here we are. Okay, so I'm in on my not personal, challenge account over here. Wait, how do I? What the fuck? Which one do I have to log in with? I don't understand. There we go. Okay. Okay. Do you teach your strats? Yes, I do actually. I actually have a couple of students that I'm teaching them with. I'm starting them up Sunday. Well, I'm still waiting on one person to send me her deposit, but yeah, I am starting that up Sunday. So if you're interested, let me know, bro. Let me know in the DMs. I got you. I'll hook you up. Sai. No, I'm not waiting for you. It's somebody else. You're willing to get up early? Well, just DM me on Discord and I will give you the deets on how to join. What time is that? So I was going to be doing 12 p.m. EST. I don't know what time that is for you. But I mean, we can always work something out, bro. It's no big deal. No thing but a chicken wing. Ain't no thing but no chicken wing. I really want to enter into these gold longs though. Like, I'm kind of upset I didn't get on. I didn't think about getting onto my challenge account. I don't know why. But yeah, actually, I have to use the bathroom really fucking quickly. Really quickly. I got 5 minutes before open, so I gotta use the bathroom before open, guys. BRB. BRB. Ugh. Okay. NAS already heading for the low. Where is it? You're right. It is. But where is... All right, so I'm going to put a sell limit. Come on, stupid ass. Oh my gosh. Why is it doing this? All right, well, I'm just going to go ahead and enter a bit for NAS. Let me see. Sell limit 2330. Why can't I see the damn? I don't know what just happened. Where's my time? Oh, okay, there it is. 30, 23. Oh my gosh, 376. Goddamn. Okay. What's up, Tony? All right, so this is going to be a NAS scalp. Let's see if it happens. Let me put an alert here for gold. I would love for it to come down here. And then I could enter again, but let's see if it does. I'm gonna put it right here. Tony. Tony the motherfucking tiger's in the house, guys. Tony the tiger. Ugh. I still want to see a nice retest up here for the 30. If I win, buy you some bread. What kind of bread? What kind of bread? I don't think we have any news today, right, guys? Okay, so we have PMI at 10 a.m. So just one red folder candle today at 10 a.m. Well, we already took out we're looking like we're going to take out the low already. So, oh well. But yeah, this was the target. If you guys got in before me, congrats. But I wanted the retest of New York Open, but it didn't happen. So I would like to come down here with it. Bang, bang, baby. Bang, bang, baby. Yeah, I missed the gold long. If this closes below here, I'll probably just jump in here and use the current candle high as my stop. But if we can come back up here first, oh, that would be lovely. But now we're already creating a new low. So, I mean, it's possible. So we can come up, create a high. But we are already creating a new low. So we don't really have to. Chadwick, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? I swear to God, my win rate has just crazily increased just by waiting for the perfect setup. My guy Chadwick. Oh. Oh, god damn. So it took the low, but now we're rejecting the low. So maybe we come back and retest like I want. I mean, we have red folder news in 30 minutes anyways. So damn, gold's gonna pump, dude. Damn, my bro's already up 100 pips. Excuse me. Oh god. My profit target is 500. That's it. I think I'm gonna over risk on this challenge account a bit. It's only a 5K account. Ugh. If I get a good trade. Okay. All right, so we just closed past London. I'm getting in here. Going to get into some. Very, very small right now. Because I'm still expecting, I'm going to be like just kind of piling in a lot of trades. I'm moving my stops all the way up here. Okay, guys. Oh, 0.1. Oops. Let's see. Let's see, NAS. Let's see, NQ. Guys, don't follow me right now because I am over risking and being a little risky for this challenge account. Ugh. So we can obviously see that we're making higher highs and higher lows. I mean, lower lows and higher lows. You guys can obviously see that, hopefully. Hold on, I'm trying to find where did StreamYard go? Oh, there it is. My win rate, bro, for the past couple of weeks, it's been like 95%, dude. It's been like 95%. But right now, it's a challenge account that I'm on right now that you guys are seeing. So I don't really take it as too seriously as I would with either a funded or personal account. So, but I'm only down like $5 right now, guys. That's it. Just five buckety. And I want to enter again. Oh. TP for gold trade. First TP 33.85. Are you in that shit? Damn, nice, Shawnee. Nice, Shawnee. Yeah, first TP for gold 33.85, and then overall TP literally all the way up here, bro. 34.20. Oh. I have a lot of positions in here right now. Damn, man. Shit is pumping. That tells me NQ's gonna fucking dump, bro. NQ's gonna dump. I have a lot of entries here. Damn. I mean, your first TP really could be like right here, 33.82, and then kind of just climb up higher as you go higher. Trail those stops. Oh, God. Jesus. Cheese and rice, man. Cheese and rice. Sorry if I just whistled all up in your ear. I'm so sorry. Yeah. I was expecting a huge dumpity dump, man. For fucking NAS, man. Man, I have some fucking crypto, and I'm like, I don't know why. I hate crypto, but I decided to try it out. Oh, gosh. This is looking pretty good. I'm waiting for it to come closer to entry on NAS. It's coming. I just don't really, the thing is, it doesn't have to come up here. You know, you can kind of like just watch it and see, okay, well, price isn't willing to come back up to here. So maybe sellers aren't willing to sell that high. There's no more sellers willing to sell that high. You know, sometimes you have to look at it like that. If price is remaining low and we're creating lower lows, right? You can see right here, literally creating lower lows. Boom. So if we start breaking these, then yeah, we could come back up here. Okay, so now we're starting to break it. So we could come back up to take out the early sellers. But we'll see. We will see what happens. Like I said, don't completely follow me on this because I am being extremely risky on this challenge account. So like if this was my personal, to be honest, I probably wouldn't have taken it. So I'm starting to get activated now for these other sell limits that I have, which is completely fine with me. Completely fine with me. All right, so I just got activated into those. So we just retested New York Open. So let's see if we want to do what I want us to do. My highest entry is 276, 276. And now 279. Yep, 279. But meh. Let's look at gold. What's gold doing? Gold's starting to come down a little bit. God damn. Now we could take out these early sellers first before we go down, but if we break through here really strong, probably just gonna get out. Let's watch this 1 minute here. Because now we're creating higher highs. If we don't, I want to see us reject. I want to see a rejection. Come on, let's see us reject. Come on, NAS, give it to me. Now you can rearrange your first TP to be here at 23,308 if you have entered up here. If you entered all the way up here, man, you have very tight stops. So you should be able to come down here. I'm glad that we have the same analysis on gold. Let's go. Yes, sir. This fucking vape. What happened here? I think I need to clean this thing out. This fucking vape. Hey, yo, if anybody vapes, did you guys know that they're banning those things? They're banning vapes. Like, what the fuck? I don't even smoke cigarettes, dude. Keep my vapes. I hate cigarettes. Cigarettes are disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. I love how New York Open is also inside of this reversal rejection zone. I love that a lot. A lot. I want to bring it all the way down here. Probably bring it here. This would be like second area of TP right here, guys. If it decides to come down, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Scare me a little bit, Nas. Let's see what gold's doing. Are you in, Tony? Are you already in the gold trade? The gold long? And I was waiting for that long, but I caught the shorts, and I'm okay with that. This is my challenge account, right? Yeah, this is my challenge account. I was like, let me make sure that this is actually my challenge account. Fuck, guys. I had a long night. Gold was definitely the better trade today, but I didn't get the longs. Still good, hold gold. Well, the thing is, we have news coming up in 5 minutes. So if you want to trim, you definitely should be trimming if you haven't already. Like, you definitely should have already been trimming for sure. Not holding the full TP. I like to trim around 30 pips. I like to trim around 30 pips. You're already up. If you got in right here, you're already up like 130 pips, dude. Probably, hopefully you trimmed if you were good, if you were in. Because like that's a lot of pips to not trim. But we could be retesting this little area right here that we just broke past just to push back up, or we can come to my area that I really want to enter at, but we shall see. But yeah, I think gold's going to pump pretty hard. I think gold's definitely going to pump pretty hard. I really wanted a bigger correction for gold, but it didn't seem like we wanted to go that low. So, oh, I just read your comment, Chad. Learning options. Options? You're learning options? Options is, that's a difficult one, I'd say, because you have to, what? Literally predict what price is going to be at a certain time or on a certain day. That's kind of hard. I mean, sometimes it's easy because obviously my shit hit TP for 200 and something pips. It can be hard, but it could be easy, I guess. Right? I don't really know how options works, but I know that is based on an expiration, an expired contract. Oh, most boringest part of trading. Fucking waiting. Oh. Oh, fuck. Yeah, if this was my personal, I wouldn't be in because, I mean, news is coming out in 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Boom. What's going to happen? Damn. 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 Yep, gold's pumping. There it is. There's the pump for gold. Come on, NAS. Let's drop, baby. Let's drop. News came out negative. So we should see a nice drop for NQ and see a nice pump for gold. Come on, NQ. Give me that shit, baby. So we saw the drop for NQ for NAS. Let's see if we continue going lower. Man, yeah, if we can break this fucking low, we should be good to dump. Huh? The fuck is this for gold? I mean, for NQ. Why is it like that? 2, 3, 2. Weird. My NAS on my MT5 is like, the numbers are different. I'm getting confused. What's gold doing? What's gold doing? All right, I'm going to close out a NAS here, guys. I'm going to close out fully. How do I fucking close out all this shit all at the same time? Yeah, I'm closing out. All right, I'm done with that. I don't like it because we are creating a lot of wicks here on the 4 hour. It's looking like the 4 hour just came down to create a bottom wick so that we can pump up for NAS. So I'm out of that for NAS. Nice. All I have to do is make $500 on this $5,000 account, and I'm up $23. So that's good enough for me. Whatever. Good enough for me. Hi. I'm not liking this price action for NAS, guys. Not at all. So I think I'm done with it. I am done with it. Don't give a damn what it does. I don't care. I don't care at all. It can go down if it wants to. I don't like this open. I don't like this open at all. If we opened with a top wick, okay, but we opened with a bottom wick instantly. And look how many wicks we have here already. You took 50 pips and got out? Hell yeah, bro. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. I love that shit. I love that shit. I'm happy for you. Are you still in that gold trade? You're still in gold? Nice. Nice. Damn, look at fucking NQ. This little bitch ass NAS. I just have not been loving NAS lately. It just hasn't been my cup of tea. Gold has been my baby. That's my baby. I could just cradle gold like a little baby and give it kisses. But yeah, I'm done with that shit. Well, I am done on the day, guys. I'm done on the day. And yep. Man, what a beautiful feeling it was to wake up to being 250 pips in profit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sexy. Does anybody trade Forex? I think most people trade Forex. I think because there's like a lot of people that can't trade futures. So you have to trade Forex. I want to do some Forex giveaways for this this prop. It's pretty cheap, not gonna lie. Pretty cheap. Shit. Yeah, fuck NAS right now. What the fuck is going on? All this buildup. Guess there's just a lot of confusion going on. Or not many people in the market. Really low volume, actually, for a red folder. No cap. I need to make a WAP. I have a WAP, I just haven't uploaded certain things. The U.S. Department of Justice is contemplating a breakup of Google, marking a significant antitrust move, remnants of the AT&T breakup. Following a recent ruling that found Google in violation of antitrust laws, the DOJ is expected to propose measures to restore market competition, which may include separating key divisions such as the Android operating system and the Chrome browser. Wow. This unprecedented action could reshape the competitive landscape in the tech industry, potentially impacting Google's revenue streams, particularly from search advertisements. Additionally, the DOJ may require Google to share data with competitors and prevent exclusive contracts with entities like Apple. Wow. Okay. So, hold on. Let me see one thing. Okay, that's what I thought. Google is in Nasdaq. So that may be why, honestly, this might be happening. So if I'm reading correctly, the DOJ is trying to restore market competition between Google's competitors, which will inevitably, I guess, equalize or stabilize some things that's going on in the market. Wow, look at NAS. It is dumping, though. It is dumping. This is 66 points. Man, 250, 267 coming down to the first TP. This would be 300 ticks or 300 pips, ticks, whatever the hell you guys want to call it. That's fine, though. I'm okay with that. Wow. Okay. All right. So news came into play there. But yeah, so TP is looking like it's gonna hit. But I wasn't liking the price action, so I said fuck it. Why is gold reversing so hard? Damn, it did pretty much drop like 100 pips. Well, if you scroll out, if you go to the higher time frame and you scroll out, this area right here, this is why I took shorts from here. It is the right shoulder. If you trade head and shoulders, so this is the right shoulder. This right here, we broke this and then we started this whole move down, right? So right here is going to be a pretty solid area of resistance. Let me just delete that. Yeah, it's going to be a pretty solid area of resistance right here. And then now you can see that we are creating this here for gold. And if you bring this across, where does it react to, right? So we bounced from here 1, 2, 3 times already. It's looking like we tapped into it one more time, hit the fourth one, hit the fourth mark. So really, realistically, we can come up here if we can break past here. Okay, if we can break past 33.85, we will pump. But if we continue to reject from here, we might go back down. So it's not like 100% that yes, TP is going to get hit. It doesn't always have to get hit, right? That's why we trim. That's why we take profits when we see them. It doesn't always have to get hit. I mean, from here, this is what, like 150 pips. That's enough, bro. Like that's enough. That's enough. And so the thing is, we're consolidating right here a bit, because we did the same thing in these areas right here. We did the same thing right here. We consolidated right here in these two areas. We come over, look left again. We consolidated here. We have a lot of rejection. We come even further. You can see how this level is a pretty solid level of resistance, rejection, reversals. Okay. So this is a very important level that you need to be watching. If you're not at break even already, definitely go break even for sure. Definitely trim, because right here we could reverse, or we could pump. We don't know. We have to go with what the market gives us. And right now we caught a nice trade, right? We're making higher highs and higher lows. And if we break this high, we're going to create a new high, which will definitely give us that indication. Okay. I use trading box order management to catch trades to the pip with pullback entry smart order. I don't know what the hell trading box is. I don't care what trading box is. This is what I use to trade. If these are your boxes, these boxes that I'm already creating, then bro, those aren't boxes. They're just like, they're fucking reversals. They're levels, they're reversals, like supply, demand, reversals. Like, what are you talking about? All right. Second student has officially sent me her deposit. We're going to get started on Sunday. Fuck, I'm excited. Excited, guys. Man, this is my calling, bro. Like, this is my fucking calling. Look at NAS. This little bitch. Why do we not have no top wick? NAS hasn't just been really pissing me off, bro. I'm over NAS. I'm over NAS. Anyway, guys, what time is it? It's 10:20. All right, guys, I think I'm done for the day. We had a nice win on the day. 2 wins, actually. Some people caught that gold trade, and then some people caught maybe the NAS trade, maybe. I don't know. It wasn't really that best. Hey, Big Nav. Good morning. I just saw your message. I'm sorry. I'm not used to seeing little... What is this that you're on? Twitch? Yeah, I'm not used to seeing Twitch comments in here, Big Nav. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, brother. Here, you can join the Discord. That's what you can do. Fuck you, NAS. Fuck you so hard, bro. It's like it didn't stop me out, but I didn't like the price action, bro. I just didn't like it, bro. And of course, it's going to TP, bro. I'm telling you guys, my win rate past couple weeks, unstoppable. Unstoppable. I don't even know. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. Just being able to read the market has just been, it's been really nice. Man, it's looking like it wants to come down to first TP, man. That's some ass cheeks. Wow. No rejection whatsoever from up above. Just a straight dump. Straight dump for news, huh? Oh shit. Sorry, I didn't even send the link. You can join the Discord, brother. The Discord is free. I post free signals in there. Might not be every day, but when I see them, I will post them sometimes because it is free. So it's not like it's going to be all the time. But yeah, you can join that shit up, brother. That's my name, Kayden. Don't wear it out. Don't wear it out. All right, I'm done on the day, guys. So let's play some Wordle. Play some Wordle. It's been a great day. It's been a great day. Wow. What the heck? All right. So we already have this shit. Stuck. Literally all the words are in place. I literally just found the word. Okay, that was too quick. All right, well, never mind. What the fuck? When does that ever happen? Man, oh man, fuck you, NQ. Let me see. 98 points, 392 pips. Holy shit. I cheated. I know, right? What the fuck? Too good, bro. Too good. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later. Again, join the Discord if you want to join for free. It's completely free. I post signals in there. I will post some free education in there as well. But yeah, guys. I'll see you guys later. Have a good rest of your day. Stay safe if you're still trading. And adios, muchachos.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.